Hello and welcome to an exciting video on APA formatting. My name is Busekrus Blackmon and I'm the supervisor of the Writing Center at STLCC Meramec. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basic format of an APA essay, and I'm going to walk you through how to do an in-text citation in APA formatting. APA stands for American Psychological Association, and this format is typically used with the social sciences. Typical components of an APA paper involve the title page, the abstract, the body of your essay, and your references page. So we're going to walk through these main components. So the first page, the title page, the title is bold. Then you have a few spaces followed by your name, the department and college that you've written this paper for, the class that this is for, the instructor, and the date. The second page is your abstract, and this is essentially a summary of your essay. Now, you want to make sure to follow your instructor's expectations. Not all instructors require an abstract within an APA essay. The next page is the body of your essay. So the body of your essay starts with your title in bold, followed by the text of your essay. And then the last page is your references page. So your references, these are the sources that are included within your essay. So anytime you reference something within your essay, you want to make sure that source goes on the references page. And each source typically has information like the author, the title of the article, the title of the source it came from, the year of publication, volume and issue number, maybe the URL or DOI. So you want to make sure that you include every source that you use on the references page. Next, we're going to go over how to do in-text citations. Whether you are summarizing, paraphrasing, or using a direct quotation, you want to make sure to cite your pieces of information. And you do that with in-text citations. So I'm going to go over the several ways that you can construct an in-text citation in APA formatting. The first way is to have the author's last name, year of publication, followed by your quote, and then the page number at the end of that quote. If you are, let's say, starting the quote in a different way, you would have your introduction to the quote, followed by your citation, author's last name, comma, year of publication, comma, page number. So you want to make sure, if you're using a direct quote, to have that page number at the end. If you are paraphrasing or summarizing a piece of information, you would have the paraphrase, followed by the author's last name and year of publication. So if you're paraphrasing or summarizing, you actually don't need the page number. So these are the few ways that you can construct an in-text citation. You just want to make sure to have these few pieces of information for your parenthetical citation. If you would like more information on our resources, you can check us out on the Writing Center resource page on the STLCC website, and that is where you can also find out information on how to schedule a Writing Center appointment. Thanks for tuning in, and check out the next video about how to format a references page in APA formatting.